What's going on, family? Listen, we have a lesson for you today. Very quickly, very easy song, basically 4 chords. We'll learn a few embellishments and everything to go along with it. But I just wanted to come and bring you a song, very quickly today. My God is awesome. Several praise teams and choirs have done it. Particularly Charles Jenkins would be the one we're doing in today. Today we're in the key of E. That's an E sus2. All right, so running down the chords real quick, we got an E sus2. Oh, this sound good, y'all. Then we're gonna go to a B major. Let's do a C minor 7. Woo! To an A major. That's it, y'all. That's it. Back to the top, E. Little embellishment. So to the you can play that B. Of course, you can play it like this. All right, let's dig a little deeper. All right, so we got A. A major, A flat minor, G flat minor or F sharp minor. Back to the B, which is here or here. That one just sound beautiful, don't it? Ooh, that just sound good. Hold one more time. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. Ooh, B major. Where we at? Ooh, that's changing up some places. How about this E right here? Ooh. Side B. Our C minor can be here still. I said C minor, C sharp minor. To our where we at now? A major. That A is a 4, so and if you're playing out of key, let's start with a number system real quick. 1 sus2 to the 5. The 6, 4, and then it's 4, 3, 2, 5, 1.